how to set default app in Android 14. In order to set default app in Android 14, you want to follow these steps. For this case, you want to open the settings app on your Android device. And when you go to the settings section, you want to come to the app section from the list. So here it is. After which you will look for it and tap on the default app or similar options. There it is. Then you want to choose the type of default you want to change, such as browser, photo, SMS, or digital. Now let's see, this is the one. And what next you want to do is simply select the app that you want to use by default list and install them. And this way you'll be able to set default app on Android 14. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. You could then do the same thing with the rest of the other app as well. And likewise, if it is already in a default section, you could then go ahead and replace it to the other one. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.